Welcome back to the channel where the wheels never stop turning and dreams hit the open road. You're watching the ultimate destination for automobile lovers and travel dreamers. Today, we're diving into something extraordinary, the 2026 BigBoy Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a full-on luxury lifestyle on wheels. Let's imagine a motorhome that combines the rugged power of a heavy-duty truck, the comfort of a five-star suite, and the smart features of a luxury smart home. That's exactly what the 2026 BigBoy Motorhome delivers. Built for long journeys and unforgettable adventures, this beast is changing the game in mobile living. Whether you're a road trip veteran or someone looking for a new way to experience life on the move, this motorhome is designed to make your journey flawless. The first thing you notice about the 2026 BigBoy is its sheer size and aggressive styling. Its road presence is unmatched. A bold front grille, LED laser headlights, and an aerodynamic roofline make it look more like a futuristic truck than a traditional motorhome. It rides on massive all-terrain tires that can handle highways, dirt, roads, and even mild off-road trails without breaking a sweat. Every inch of the exterior is sculpted to turn heads while staying functional with smart storage compartments and weatherproof panels. But it's the interior that truly makes the BigBoy shine. As soon as you step inside, you're welcomed by an open layout that feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The flooring is heated bamboo composite, while the walls are lined with noise-canceling insulation and smart LED mood lighting. The living room features a motorized recliner sofa, a 65-inch fold-out smart TV, and a retractable fireplace screen. Yes, a fireplace. Moving into the kitchen, it's fitted with all the premium essentials. We're talking a full-size smart fridge, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and even a built-in espresso machine. The countertops are made of quartz, with touch-activated cabinets and under-cabinet lighting that adds a futuristic touch. There's also a slide-out dining table with room for four, ideal for meals, work, or even game nights on the road. The bedroom is no less impressive. A king-size memory foam bed with adjustable settings sits at the center, surrounded by ambient lights and smart blackout shades. The bed lifts with a hydraulic system to reveal hidden storage underneath. There's also a built-in vanity mirror with soft LED, surround lighting, and a wardrobe with a dehumidifying system to keep your clothes fresh no matter the weather outside. Now let's talk about the bathroom, a rare highlight in most motorhomes. The BigBoy doesn't hold back. It features a rainfall shower, smart temperature controls, and a water recycling system that helps conserve water during long trips. The sink and toilet are touchless, with UV sterilization built into the system. It's designed not just for comfort, but also for hygiene and sustainability. Technology-wise, the 2026 BigBoy is ahead of the curve. It comes with a central AI system that controls lighting, temperature, security, and entertainment with voice commands. The dashboard features a panoramic digital display with real-time navigation, terrain sensing, weather forecasting, and vehicle diagnostics. You can also connect everything to your smartphone, giving you full control even when you're outside the motorhome. The solar roof panels provide backup energy to power all appliances, while the built-in generator ensures you never run out of electricity, even in the most remote areas. The BigBoy is also fully compatible with electric charging stations, making it a hybrid-ready vehicle for the environmentally conscious traveler. In terms of driving performance, the 2026 BigBoy comes with a turbo diesel V8 engine, delivering massive torque for towing and mountain climbs. The adaptive air suspension makes it a smooth ride even on rough roads. And its 360-degree camera system with assisted lane keeping ensures safety during every mile. Overall, the 2026 BigBoy Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's freedom, luxury, and innovation wrapped into one epic travel machine. Whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring national parks, or just want to live life your way, this motorhome brings your dream closer than ever. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to roll into the future, the BigBoy might just be your next big move. Stay tuned for more automotive wonders right here, and don't forget to take life 1 mile at a time.